Okay. All right. So we want to discuss the PDS. So I'm not quite sure whether do we want to use the morphological table or we want to use the benchmarking. I'm not quite sure which one are we actually really supposed to use actually. So you guys want to use which one? You guys want to use morpho or you guys want to use benchmarking? I think morphological I think is easy lah. I think not really sure. Use that one.
Yeah, I think morphological is more easier lah.
Okay. So wait first I just share my screen for you guys can see?
Yes, can.
Okay, so I'm not the PDS. So if you're gonna use this to discuss the PDS, then so I'm not quite sure. So like maybe the first time my computer very lag. So the first one should be what the function requirement. I think don't need to discuss that because it's just a gearing conveyor, right? And sensor. Is there anything else I can add inside the PDS? Like maybe materials I can add inside the.
But before that, can we
Yeah.
discuss about like who are the targeted users? Because,
Targeted user. Okay.
because I think that will help about the dimensions and the materials later on.
Alright. Okay. So who want to suggest? Maybe you just suggest 4 options. I mean, we want to ensure that it's can be color coded one because you want to use the red, blue, green thing, right? You want to use color sensor. So yeah.
Actually, I think
Uh,
because this one we just want to decide the overall direction.
okay.
On top of that, I think doctor also said don't need to
Fix anything yet, right?
yeah,
Fix.
don't need to do the prototype, so we don't have to fix on the color sensor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Preven, the time you asked, it was like that, right? The time, Preven.
What was it?
The time you asked doctor, this what doctor said, right? Just do the simulation, good enough already, right? Yeah.
Yes. I asked him whether need to do the. What I asked was, do I have to follow our PDS? Do I have to follow the our prototype or this one? Then he said, prototype, or you don't have to do prototype if you want to do simulation. Sadella.
Okay. So don't need to do prototype, huh? Okay. So right, targeted user. So what lot? Food company. Those. Just write down first. Yeah.
Industry. Okay, food company. Okay.
Company. Second one, warehouse. Warehouse.
Warehouse.
Oh,
Warehouse.
Which is all the packages, everything one, right?
The parcels, all that.
Electronic components or bottles?
It's okay.
Which are electronic components?
We put two.
Okay. Drinks. Oh, okay. Like Coca-Cola, something like that. Okay. Any more options? No, I can add some more if you guys want.
I think it's okay now.
Okay.
Because based on this, later on we can decide whether the object is small or large.
Okay. 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 What's next to discuss? Anything else? Anything else? Can you guys think of? the material, or you guys want to talk about the dimensions or the cost stakeholder? The scale. Okay, so maybe we can also maybe we can also discuss about the scale.
If the scale we can set like the minimum lah, no need to set the maximum. Like for example, if we want to make the conveyor belt for the electronic components company, maybe we can just make a small one, small conveyor belt. No need to be so big. That's the minimum size. Maybe for the warehouse, it need to be larger lah, to able to handle many sizes of parcels.
So you're saying the scale depends on the industry.
The skills we just put the minimum skills on the dimensions.
Oh,
Then the maximum just depend on the what they want.
so the minimum scale you guys want to put.
For the food company,
Brandon,
Yeah.
maybe you can combine the food company and the bottle company because they are more related to food and beverage.
food and drinks. So
And then the option 4, we can put mining and excavation.
Can mining. Okay. If it's mining company, then maybe the
Scale
load,
is big lah.
yeah, the load it needs to be able to withstand must be definitely be higher lah.
We just mentioned medium, large, small like that lah.
Also can.
can.
Okay, so yeah, I just put it out. Later we figure out how to combine all these options.
Warehouse might be medium or large.
Okay, I just put these 3 options first. After that, we can combine which one we want to use.
Oh, okay, can.
Okay. Alright, what else? Materials. Okay.
Material or type of sensors.
Material first.
Okay. When you say material, we're referring to the frame, or we're referring to the belt, or we're referring to the.
I think,
The can be belt or the machines.
Okay, so you guys want to discuss?
The material, actually, the material, like from what we did before, we have one is for the material of the belt, another one is for the frame, another one is for the sensors. So,
Plastic.
plastic.
I think plastic because more hygiene. You can wash it. Easier to
Plastic.
wash.
Plastic modular belts. Last time.
Brandon,
Yeah.
for the material, they are giving option like using rubber, PVC, or steel, or PU.
Then, like that, mining we use steel lah.
No, mining will use plastic because steel means like later got scratches or dent.
Okay.
Mining use rubber.
Mining use rubber. Rubber better.
Yeah, rubber.
Okay. So I just put the materials first. After that, you guys want to combine what also can. Because after this, down here I got a few combinations. So you can you can combine them. So you can just list out all the materials first.
I think we can add one more PU because food company they are using PU, not plastic.
PU stands for what?
Dia stand for
Polyurethane.
Apa tu? Polyurethane.
How to spell?
POLY
Okay.
UR Ethane. ETHANE.
Okay. Okay. Any more materials you guys want to suggest?
I think that's all.
Steel. Okay, that's all for now. Alright. Then for the frame, you guys say what? Aluminium or
Material frame. Normally they're using 3: aluminium, titanium, steel.
okay. Titanium quite expensive, so maybe
Yeah.
later we can add one aspect called the cost. Maybe later we can add
The costing.
costing, yeah.
Aluminium, just put stainless steel.
Oh yeah, actually I was thinking about stainless steel, but then I was thinking whether it was suitable or not. But can I just put it first? Okay. So it's the cost. I try to move this down for us so that I got more space.
Why I hear there's some weird noise?
Yeah, I can also hear something, but I'm okay with it. Okay, cost you guys want to add a range or you guys want to add like big, small? What? Because I mean, cost is also a bit hard to estimate now, right?
Yes. I mean, if in numbers it's hard, but we can.
I just put.
I think we can do a range. It's like 1,000 to 2,000, 5,000 to 10,000, like that. The costing of
Or we can do range,
Ah.
either range, or we can do cheaper, moderate, expensive,
more expensive.
Okay.
cheap. Moderate.
Okay.
More expensive
More
or
expensive.
free.
Okay, I can. I just add free just for the fun of it. Okay. Government funded.
Government. We can claim under government.
Okay. Okay. What else to discuss? Let me see. Ergonomics. You guys want to add anything or what? Safety standards?
Safety.
A bit hard to use safety standards here because safety standards we just need to follow the OSHA regulations, Factory and Machinery Act.
Yes.
This one I think is quite fixed already, right? This kind of.
That one is under benchmarking, I think.
Oh, that one's under benchmarking.
Because we just follow.
Okay. Right.
And then
The
Maintenance.
Okay. Environmental conditions. I think that one depends on the field it's being used in. Like if it's used in food and beverage, then maybe the temperature may be higher, maybe I'm not quite sure. My computer quite lagging on my computer. Maintenance is how often, right? How often they're going to do the maintenance, right? Like maybe every 2 years, every 1 year, like that, right? Okay.
Okay. So maybe 5 years. No.
Or just want to use long shots.
3 years. We have option is 3 years, 2 years,
1 year,
and
6 months.
6 months or 3 months.
Okay.
The mining one.
Or maybe we can use like hour is like maintenance every 120 hours, every 200 hours, every 300 hours, like that.
Every month.
Because normally the machines, the maintenance is like more to hours because they're not machines like car. If car like that we can use years, but machines we can use hour. It's more reliable.
How spell hour?
Hours.
Eh,
Hours,
hours,
hours.
Hours.
How many hours?
Or
which
how many
means
hours?
150 hours, 300 hours, 350 hours, like that.
Oh. Unless you want to use like the vehicle they travel how the mileage.
Like that.
Okay. Alright.
Basically, they are one day they are using around 6 to 8 hour maximum.
Oh, like that.
Uh,
Okay. 150 hours,
250, 350,
250.
350 like that lah.
This one is per day or what? Oh.
No, no. How got a per day 250 hours?
No, I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. I'm a bit blur now. Sorry.
It's like 250 hours is like depend lah how many days, how many months they are using.
Oh, so you're
It's
saying that when
just
it's being.
runtime. The overall runtime. So whenever it reaches 250 hours, then we need a maintenance.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Okay. Yeah, like car and motor. Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, mostly machines item they are using hours to maintain their oil and their temperature and their mold.
Okay.
Then this
Because
one mining how many hours?
I think mining it's quite big because they can be run 24 hours daily.
20.
So maintenance every how many hours?
Mining might be
Okay, you see even the food also 150 hours. So mining will be
no, I
more.
think food can be 450 hours and then the mining is 150 hours.
Uh,
Just the reverse order.
So later we can combine.
Reverse order. Food can
Reverse
be
order.
450.
Okay. So,
what's the next aspect? Maintenance already done.
How about
Customer
the environment?
environment is it?
Your environment.
environment.
Eco friendly.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you want to talk about sustainability? You guys want to talk
Yeah.
No, actually, I mean the environment.
Work,
where
or condition,
conveyor
the
belt-
working condition, the environmental
yeah.
condition.
Oh, okay.
Is it harmful for human?
I think it's more of like what's the maximum temperature the conveyor belt can tahan.
Yeah, temperature, yeah. And then the humidity.
So a bit hard though. It's a bit hard to, because we haven't really done much research yet also, so a bit hard for us to consider also. But yeah, we can just say first high temperature conditions, that can be option one, which means it can withstand high temperature conditions. We can write that first.
And then the second one, maybe we can say the presence of water or moisture.
Okay.
Okay, and then maybe the third one we can say possible corrosive chemicals or gases. Maybe in mining, there are gases.
And also we can say maybe it's a non-conductor. Is it something like that? Doesn't conduct electric or something like that.
Electrical hazard.
Electrical hazard. Mining.
Gases, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Okay, the next one.
Geotype. You're saying the geotype material or what? Like what? Sprocket? Sorry, can you say again? How to spell? Heli? HELICAL. Helical. This one is the shape of the gear. Is it? SPUR, spur. One. Planetary. PRY. So this one correct already. Okay. Anything else or not? We discussed for how long already? 20 minutes already.
20 minutes.
Uh,
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. Later we spend 10 minutes combining later the combinations.
we haven't talked about the main function. We know the function is sorting
Oh
and
yeah, true also.
the sort. Because if you want to focus on sorting, we can make it shorter. If we prioritize the like the
Transporting.
transporting the things, maybe we need to make it longer for uh, the belt. And then how do we carry out the sorting? We also need to put in the PDS, like using color or AI or other sensors. So for fruit, something like that. Size. And the others.
Oh, really?
Size, width, color.
It's, computer very slow because of the Google meeting. Because my computer lagging. Wait for. By size, by weight, by color, by material, by category. I don't know. Wait, all these are category. Yeah. What?
Category can, if use AI, we use my category.
Type of sensor.
Sensors. Before this, we talk about
Micro. Yeah, STM. Wait. What was that? Arduino.
sensors.
Wait, no, sorry. That's microcontroller. I forgot. Sorry. Color sensor. Right?
Maybe it's okay. I think we just put color sensor will do.
Okay. What? Sorry? Encoder. Color sensor, encoder. What can be used to measure the weight?
Wait.
Or just use a balance. It's called a balance. I don't know. I forgot already.
Let me check.
It's what? Touch sensor.
I think it's just called weight sensor also. Can.
Weight sensor. Okay. I think there should be one more thing. I forgot what is it already.
Controller.
Actuator. Or controller. Actuator and controller. These two things.
Actuator.
I mean, okay, let's push this. Controller, you want to put Arduino, PID,
PID. Isn't that called PLC?
STM32?
Okay.
Wait, no, Black Pill. Is it called Black Pill or STM32? Or is it the same thing?
Yeah. The family name is called STM32.
Okay lah. Okay, sure, why not?
Yeah, very expensive.
Yeah lah, that's why you put might as well you put more expensive the cost.
Oh yeah, mining okay, so it makes sense.
Yeah lah. What is it? Intel Microsoft. Yeah lah, okay lah. These are the ones that we can afford as student. But anyway, since we don't need to do a real prototype, so yeah. Lah. Last time we say we want to use one actuator so that to save. Okay lah. AC servo motor. That one DC servo motor. Okay. Power source, battery or solar power. Actuator unless you want to use fan to blow it away.
Or the hydraulic actuator. Hydraulic can push like heavier things up. Hydro linear actuator, power source. Oh, power source.
Battery or what? Solar panel, hydroelectric.
Oh.
Will be useful for mining. I think hydraulic be changed to the mining. Then for this one we can use one more. What's else?
Stepper.
Sorry, you guys say what? Use what?
One motor is stepper.
What stapler? STPP. Stepper motor.
Wow.
Stepper motor. Okay. Then there's also the what? Can. Yeah. I remember there was in one of the videos you guys shared he can sort the things with the. I remember the floor of the conveyor belt can turn one or something. It's okay lah. Yes. Power source you guys want to use? You guys want to write? Battery, generator, electricity lah. Electric. Or unless you want to use coal, I don't know lah. Okay lah, but I can just write first lah. That way later we can compare. Because this is still the early stage, so we don't finalize anything first unless later when we do the combination that we only.
I don't use the solar.
Thermal can or mining, I don't know. Anything else you guys want to? Ergonomics, you guys want to write anything or not? Indications are like what last time for homework we use color coded zones on the conveyor or something. The transporting section is green, sorting section is blue, packing section red. You guys want to use that? Because I think for the main function, maybe another question maybe can add this thing called the. I don't know. If the one to use, we can just ignore it. But then again, our assignment is only just sorting only so yeah. Okay, so I'll go next. Use color coded zones for what? To identify each section easier. Anything else you guys want to add for ergonomics? Communication protocol. Actually, ergonomics actually mean to what? To make it easier for the user, or is that the meaning of ergonomics?
It says to avoid injury lah. Focus on design that minimize strain and risk of injury. Okay.
Aspect. So it's like what you how you want to communicate with the conveyor belt lah. Maybe you use Bluetooth or IP or internet like that lah.
Ergonomics, maybe you can say the conveyor belt is not too high or too low. Maybe it's easier
Adjustable lah, adjustable height.
to at the height of around the waist lah, because maybe something wrong. Maybe you want to carry the stuff out from the conveyor belt. It's easier to carry. If it's too high, it's a bit hard to reach. Yeah. The height. And then or maybe the edges of the conveyor belt, we make it like rounder. So maybe if someone maybe falling or they knock on the conveyor belt, they will not get injured. I'm not sure. Just to improve the safety lah.
You wanna add any other aspect, or that's all?
Yeah,
Okay,
I think
now we can combine.
Okay, first visual design don't need visual design.
visual design.
I don't know. I look at last time our homework, there was this thing called ergonomics and visual design. Actually, right now, all these aspects, I'm also just referring to our homework that time one. The aspects, yeah. But it's up to you guys. If you guys think enough already, actually, also, I think quite a lot already, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, alright. So the first combination, how you guys want to do it? What, most high quality one? Everything all be high quality.
Oh.
And then combination 2, if we are on a very low budget, then we combination 2. Yeah, so combination 1 I put most expensive. Most high
High-end.
most high end. And secure also lah, safe also lah. If it's high end but not safe also no point also. I just copy all this. Okay, so targeted users. Which one will require most high-end one? Maybe mining company? Because it's dealing with very heavy things, man. So be quite secure.
Yes.
Mining,
Because that's most
most dangerous one.
most dangerous area.
Okay, minimum scale. Large?
Large. Yeah, large.
Large.
It has to be large.
Material of the belt.
Material.
Um,
Steel. No, you guys are using rubber.
we
Yeah.
rubber and stainless steel.
Rubber
But-
and stainless.
No, or rubber or titanium.
Rubber or titanium.
But how can a belt become steel?
They can make it like
Can. It's like a chain one, like chain of
Yes.
segment. It's like a
Yes.
chain one. If you look at the video
Oh.
we shared last time, WhatsApp, we got
Like a escalator chain.
something like that. Later I share the video to you later. Rubber, titanium, cost very expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, maintenance every what?
Every 150.
Every 150. Because it's need to regularly maintain, right? So need to be
Yeah.
very short, right? Okay. Right. Environment condition because my computer like
harsh
okay.
condition.
Harsh conditions.
What we put just now? Up there, what we put? Let me read. You put.
Actually, all these are all harsh conditions.
Yeah. High temperature, high moisturized.
Or maybe impact. Because if the rocks drop on the conveyor belt, then it's going to be a very strong impact on the belt.
Mm-hmm.
High impact. Alright. Gear type, I don't know lah. Gear type, because I don't know much about gear types. Which one is for very strong one? Jiayao, yeah, just now you want to recommend the gear types, so if it's for very strong one, which one? Okay, so do you want me to write helical, comma planetary? So at least we got two options there. After that, we can later decide again. Okay, so I put helical and planetary. After that, if we really decide to use this combination, then we can further discuss. Main function. Actually, our task is to computer very lag. Because give me a minute. Our title is Object Sorting System using Gearing Conveyor with Sensor-Based Electronic Control. Object Sorting System.
Sorting.
Huh?
So you're saying what? He detect the magnet inside. Detect the magnet
Okay.
inside the stone. The magnet. To so you're trying to separate magnet with the stone. You're trying to do. Okay, I just read that, but so right. Okay, main function. Sort. Actually, I think it's all just sorting. I think because our homework, because our assignment title, our project title is sorting.
but you also more focus on transporting lah. So
Yeah lah, also lah.
so maybe you can put transportation. So later on, if you want to like think about the dimension, you can maybe put it is much longer.
Okay.
Mhm.
Alright. Sorting methodology. By
Wait.
we can use a few also lah. By weight, I think weight also can lah, because each rock all different weight
Wait. Or by category.
by category.
Sure.
Also can maybe different stones got different category lah. By size, weight, category. Weight sensor. Weight sensor or if by size then ultrasonic no wait, no ultrasonic also. Size sensor, weight sensor.
Weight sensor. Maybe you want to put AI.
Yeah.
High end. You're
Okay,
using NVIDIA.
I think that one is in controller. Controller. So
AI camera. I'm not sure. Camera.
what quality inspection? That was in what aspect or? Yeah.
I just want to share this one. I searched online. The all sorting. They use the actuator is use air compressor or like high pressure jet. So it will blow the smaller weight rocks to the further.
So you blow lah. He use blowing lah.
Use blow.
Okay. Blow. Okay. Can I can also add this also inside. Controller, sorting methodology. Wait, this one is where already? Where would I put this? This is an actuator, right?
Actuator.
So what? Blow. Pressure air.
Pressure jet. High pressure jet.
Okay. Pressure jet. So actually, okay, controller you guys don't use NVIDIA because it's very high end.
Can.
And also because it's very expensive. I don't think in the factory you will see Arduino being used. I think.
Yeah.
Actuator, pressure, jet. Anything else you guys want to use? AC, DC, stepper, or just use pressure jet? You don't have to always combine. Okay, pressure jet.
It's okay. Just put maybe put one more AC servo motor.
AC, we use AC because what is small, it saves electricity, right? If I'm not mistaken.
AC. Actually, what's the difference? High speed.
Okay. So right, power source, electricity, most consistent one.
Generator.
Electricity or generator? Electricity and backup generator. I don't know. Okay. So if we really use this, then when we design the conveyor belt, need to consider how to connect backup generator. Ergonomics and safety, everything because high end and secure or
Maybe
ergonomics.
we leave
Actually,
out
don't
the ergonomics.
don't need this one, right? Actually,
Uh-huh.
because we should ensure that everything in every combination should always be safe, right?
Yeah, so I think that's under benchmarking already.
So I just remove this row.
It's okay, I think just leave it. This one. Later we can refer back.
Okay, so I
But
just
for now, down here, just
communication.
remove.
Communication protocol. Wire is more stable, right? Wire.
Mhm.
Because Wi-Fi, if it rains, then habis. Okay, you guys want to do one more combination, or this enough already?
I think,
This enough already. Yeah?
if you do the cheaper one later, if you want to do the 3D design, it's easier.
Easier. Okay, you
It
guys
should
just
be
want to spend.
easier because we don't need to put all this high
Actually, that's true. Actually, just spend 5 minutes just doing the cheap one. Just spend 5 minutes.
Yeah, the cheaper we just do a small
Yeah.
version, use battery or
Startup company. Okay lah, yeah lah, okay. Full company lah. Actually, what or beverage, food or okay lah, can lah, food or beverage. Okay. Minimum scale, very small. Or just small lah. Or medium.
Small. Medium. Small, because over here, small.
Okay. Because we're using the cheap color.
Yeah, because our aim is make it cheap. Later we make it.
Yeah. Eh?
yeah, should be smaller.
It depends on your electronic components, but usually electronic components are all very small, right? So, yeah. lah. Oh, it's okay. I just put electronics also lah. After that, later we can think through. TBC. Okay, but if food and beverage, then you need to consider whether you want the hygienic or not already.
Yeah.
So just electronics, electronics smaller. Unless you are like transporting large batteries, which I'm not quite sure that we already say electronics already. So yeah, okay. PVC, PVC, okay. Material frame, aluminium. Cheap. Also, it won't rust, right? Aluminium actually won't rust, right? Okay. Cost, cheap, small.
350.
Yeah. Because we already use cheap materials already, so better maintain a bit. Also same. Is it environmental conditions? Want to be high temperature because food and beverage, or high moisture because of food and water. Moisture. Yeah, sorry, I forgot we are talking about electronics. Sorry, I forgot. Yeah. The chicken hazard. Alright. Actually, yeah, lah. Actually, even if I've got a chicken hazard, it's just a static only. Actually.
Yeah, I think they are sensitive to static.
Sorry.
I think they are sensitive to static. Maybe static will like damage the components.
Okay, so maybe not electrical hazard, electrical sensitivity. Maybe I can. It's okay. I just put hazard. Okay, sorry. Main function is sorting. Sorting and transporting. Okay. Right. By color or category. Or by weight.
If you do by category, maybe we can do to check if the thing is broken or not. Yeah, I think that one is also under category now.
By category. Actually, but then after that, how is sensor going to do this? So I wonder.
We can use camera. Camera. AI detection.
Wow. Okay. Type of sensor with us. Type of sensor. Yeah. Kind of like control vision already almost. Okay. But then this one very expensive already, right? Okay. Okay. Camera, yeah.
I think
PLC.
we need NVIDIA also can. The PLC, I'm not sure can or not.
Current NVIDIA lah, since it's industrial standard also, right? So
I think I can confirm Raspberry Pi can do the job lah. Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi.
It's a lot cheaper than NVIDIA if you want.
Raspberry Pi.
Which wafer is the thing is very light, so maybe you can use DC simple motor.
Okay, power source. Electricity. Or okay, right. Wire or wire. Okay lah. Since it's also very small already, so we don't need that much wire also. Okay lah. So okay, so like this this is our PDS.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, so if anything after this